Hello, my dear students. I'm CK. For second test from three-dimensional geometry, 2 marks, we can expect some problems. I will solve it now. Okay. So now the first problem is, so the important one, show that the points, show that the points 2, 3, 4, and again -1, -2, 1, and again 5, 8, 7 are collinear, are collinear. Okay. So my dear students, all of you should observe the collinear means, so A, B, C. So first we want to find out here AB and again BC. If it is both are parallel, so this is what collinear. Okay. So now all of you should observe given points are A 2, 3, 4, B -1, -2, 1, and again C 5, 8, 7. Okay. My dear students, all of you should observe they are given the points. Okay. Now we want to find out the direction ratios. Okay. So for direction ratio, okay, by using of the points, we know that the formula to find out direction ratio by using the points. So x2 minus x1 comma y2 minus y1 comma z2 minus z1. This is the formula for to find out the direction ratio of 2 points. Okay. Now should observe the direction ratio, the direction ratios of AB, the direction ratios of AB. So now this is what x1, y1, z1, x1, y1, z1, and again x2, y2, z2 I'm taking. Okay. So according to this formula, so here -1, -2, okay, x2 value is what? X2 value is what? -1, and again x1 value is 2. Okay. Now again y2 value is -2, -3 y1, and again z2 value is 1 minus z1 value is what? 4. Okay. So the direction ratio of AB is -3 comma -5 and again -3. Got it, all of you? Now again you should find out the direction ratios of BC. Direction ratio of BC you should find out now. So now should observe. So x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 I'm taking. So now should observe x2 value is 5. So minus into minus plus we get it here +1. Okay. And again y2 value is 8. And again y1 value is here -2. We have minus into minus +2 we can take it. And again z2 value is 7 minus 1. Okay. So the direction ratio of BC is 6, and again 8 plus 2 is what? 10, and again 6 we get it here. Okay. So now should observe in these two you can compare it. -2 we can take it common. Okay. Minus 2 into -3 is what? Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Understand now? So minus into minus plus 5 2s are 10. minus into minus plus, 3 twos are 6. Okay, these two direction ratios what we have, these two are parallel. Okay, so we should write on one line. It can be it can be seen that it can be seen that direction ratios of BC are minus 2 times that AB. Okay, so here AB is parallel to BC. AB is parallel to BC. Therefore, the points A, B, C are collinear. A, B, C are collinear. Okay. So this is the 2 marks problem. Okay, it is very very important. And one more, it is example problem also it is there. So you should practice that also. Clear it is. Now should observe second one. Show that the line through the points. So here 1 minus 1 2 and again 3 4 minus 2 is perpendicular to the line through the points okay, 0 3 2 and 3 5 6 we have. My dear students, all of you should observe carefully. I will explain you very clearly. So now should observe the perpendicular formula is A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2, it is equal to 0. So my dear students, all of you should observe this A, B, C, what we have. This is what? Direction ratios. Clear it is all of you. So direction ratios we want it here, but they are given what? They are given 2 points they are given. Okay. So now first we want to find out what? Direction ratios we should find out. Clear it is all of you. Okay. So now let the points what we have. Okay. Points I'm taking here. Let A of 1 comma minus 1 comma 2 and B is 3 comma 4 comma minus 2 and again C is 0 comma 3 comma 2 and again D is 3 comma 5 comma 6. Clear it is all of you. Now you should find out the direction ratios of AB. Okay, so we know the formula of to find out the direction ratio by using of 2 points. So the formula is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 and again z2 minus z1. Clear it is all of you. So now should observe. So this is what x1 y1 z1 and again x2 y2 z2. Clear it is. Now direction ratio of AB is 3 minus 1 and again y2 is what? 4 minus it minus plus 1 and again z2 is minus 2 we can understand all of you. So 3 minus 1 is what? 2 and again 5 and again minus 4. This is the direction ratios of AB. Clear it is. Now we want to find out the direction ratios of CD. Clear it is. Now this is what x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. So x2 value is 3 minus 0 and again 5 minus 3 and again 6 minus 2. Clear? So the direction ratio of CD is 3 comma 2 comma and again 4. Clear it is. Now my dear students, we should observe, you can observe, this is what A1, B1, C1, because now these 2 points are direction ratios. So that's why we can take it here A1, B1, C1 and again A2, B2, C2. Clear it is all of you. Okay. Now we should apply to the formula. Okay. So perpendicular formula is what? A1, A2 plus B1, B2 plus C1, C2 equal to 0. Okay. A1 value we have 2 and A2 value is what? 3 plus B1 value is 5 and again B2 value is what? 2 plus C1 value is minus 4 and again C2 value is what? 4 equal to 0. If you get it here 0 equal to 0, so these 2 points are perpendicular. So now should observe 3 2s are 6, 10 minus 16 equal to 0. So 10 plus 6 is what? 16 minus 16 we get it what? 0 equal to 0. So therefore these points what they are given, this is a perpendicular. Clear it is all of you. Okay. So now next question is, my dear students, all of you carefully should observe the problems. Okay. Now they are given parallel. Okay. So parallel, we know the formula in the classes we are learned that. Okay. So now should observe, I will explain you. Show that the line through the points through the points 4, 7, 8 and again 2, 3, 4 is parallel to the points parallel to the line through the points -1, -2, 1 and again 1, 2, 5. Okay. So my dear students, same as it is previous problem. Now we want to find out direction ratios. Clear it is all of you. Now let A of 4, 7, 8 and again B of 2, 3, 4 and again C of -1, -2, 1 and again D of 1, 2, 5. Clear it is all of you. Now should observe, we want to find out the direction ratios of AB. Direction ratios of AB. So now direction ratio, we know the formula x2 minus x1, again y2 minus y1 and again z2 minus z1. Okay. So now should observe, so here x1, y1, z1, y2, x2, y2, z2. We know this. Okay. So here x2 value is what? 2 minus 4. And again y2 value is what? 3 minus 7. And again z2 value is 4 minus 8. Clear? So 2 minus 4 is what? -2. So -4 and again -4. This is the direction ratio of AB. Clear it is all of you. Now should observe the direction ratio of CD we are taking. Okay. So here x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2. Clear? So 1 minus to minus plus 1 we get it. And again 2 plus 2 because minus to minus plus. And again 5 minus 1. Clear? So we get about 2, 4, 4. Clear it is all of you. So these twos are direction ratios. Clear it is all of you. Now we know that parallel formula A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. A1 is what? A1, B1, C1. A2, B2, C2. Clear it is all of you. Now should apply a1 value is what? Minus 2 by 2 equal to minus 4 by 4 equal to minus 4 by 4. So getting cancelled here. So the answer is what? Minus 1. So these are equal. So these 2 points are parallel. Clear it is all of you. Okay. Next problem is, you should observe, find the equation, find the equation of the line, of the line which which passes through the point. So here 1 comma 2 comma 3, and is parallel is and is parallel to the vector, and is parallel to the vector 3 cap plus 2 cap minus 2 cap. Okay. So my dear students, we know parallel theorem. Okay, so it is so I will draw the diagram. You should observe I am taking the space. Okay, so this is what line. Okay, so we have here the point like this. This is what P, X, Y, Z. Okay, this is what common thing. So A, they are given here 1, 2, 3. Clear it is all of you. And again the parallel thing B, what we have, vector B. So they are given here 3 comma 2 comma minus 2. So should observe here. Clear it is all of you. Okay. Now should observe there we want to find out the equation. Okay, vector equation we want to find out. So now should observe it is given it is given that it is given that the line passes through the line passes through the point A of 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, so therefore vector A position vector is I1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap, and again vector B is equal to 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. Clear it is all of you. So my dear students, we all know vector form formula. So equation vector R equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Okay, this is the vector form formula. Okay, now we all know vector R equal to vector A means what? 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap plus lambda into 3 I cap plus 2 j cap minus 2 k cap. So this is the equation we can get it. So this diagram what we have should clearly you can understand this. Okay, so position vector is vector A, and again this is what vector R, and this is what vector B. Okay, so carefully you should observe and you should learn this. Okay, now should observe next one is find the equation, find the equation of the line in vector and Cartesian form that passes through passes through the point with with positive vector, they are given 2 I cap minus j cap plus 4 k cap, and is in the direction, I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Okay. So my dear students, all of you should observe now what they are given the vectors is, this is what the point and this is what the direction. That means this is the point and this is the parallel. That is B. Okay. Now let vector A equal to 2 I cap minus j cap plus 4 k cap, and vector B it is equal to I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. Okay, so vector A and vector B we know now. Now the vector form equation is, okay, vector R equal to vector A plus lambda vector B. Okay, now should apply vector A and vector B. Vector R equal to 2 I cap minus j cap plus 4 k cap plus lambda into I cap plus 2 j cap minus k cap. This is what vector form equation. Now Cartesian form should observe x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Okay, so we all know in the diagram we know, so this is what p, x, y, z. So position vector, vector r, and this is what p. So a, so the point is what 2 minus 1 4, and again this is what parallel is vector b. So this diagram no need to write it in the examination, just your reference. Clear it is all of you. So 1 comma 2 comma minus 1. Okay, so here this is what x1 y1 z1, and again this is what a b c, the coordinate we know in the theorem. Okay, so this is x1 y1 z1, and again this is what a b c. Clear it is. So x minus x1 value is what 2, I coefficient you should take it, and again a value is what 1. It is equal to y minus y1 value is what, minus 1 it will come, j coefficient, minus into minus plus 1, clear, by b value is 2. It is equal to, so z minus 4 by minus 1. This is the Cartesian form equation. Clear it is. These problems are they asking you for 2 marks. Clear it is all of you. Now next problem is, you should observe the find the Cartesian equation of the line passes through the point, okay, minus 2 comma 4 comma minus 5, and parallel to the line given by they are given x plus 3 by 3 equal to y minus 4 by 5 equal to z plus 8 by 6. Okay. So my dear students, you should observe this. Easily I will explain you. Okay. So what we have is x1, y1, z1 in this equation. You should replace it. Clear it is all of you. Okay. We know the equation x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, and again z minus z1 by c. Okay, a b c same as it is, you should write it. Okay, so we have 3 and again y by 5 equal to z by 6, same as it is, you should write on. Now this point what we have, this is the point x1 y1 z1. Okay, we should replace it here now. So minus, we have minus into minus plus 2, and again, so again minus 4, we have minus 4 it will come, and again minus into minus plus 5. Okay, so this is the vector Cartesian form equation. So simple problem. Okay, so you can easily you can learn this. Okay, so now we should observe next one is, so this is the last one for 2 marks. So we should observe, so it is this also very important. The Cartesian equation of a line is x minus 5 by 3 equal to y plus 4 by 7 equal to z minus 6 by 2. So write its vector form. Write its vector form ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದೆ. Okay. Now should observe, we know the Cartesian form equation easily. X minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Okay, so these all equal to, now should observe, so x1 y1 z1 what we have, that is what a point, and b a b c what we have, that is what b parallel b point. Okay, so now should observe, according to this equation, vector a we should write it. Okay, so in the x1 place we have your what, 5, so 5 I cap. Okay, in the y1 place we have plus 4 we have, so minus of 4 you should take it, because minus into minus plus it will come. Clear? And again plus 6 k cap. Understand now? Now vector b, it is equal to denominator what we have, should write it 3 I cap plus 7 j cap plus 2 k cap. Understand now? Now we all know the vector form equation. Vector form equal to vector r equal to vector a plus lambda vector b. Clear? Now we should write it. Vector r equal to vector a, what we have, 5 I cap minus 4 j cap plus 6 k cap plus lambda of 3 I cap plus 7 j cap and again plus 2 k cap. Okay, this is the vector form equation. Clear it is all of you? Now you should observe, my dear students, they are asking you one more question. This also may be important. Okay, they can give this also, because this is what NCERT problem only. Find the vector and Cartesian equation of the line okay, that passes through the origin, passes through the origin. This is the main point, and 5 comma minus 2 comma. Clear it is? So my dear students, all of you should observe this. Easily I will solve this. Okay, so you can understand easily. So the point is what? Origin. So vector A is equal to 0 vector. Clear? And again vector B is equal to, we have, so this point you should make it a vector conversion, 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Clear it is? Now we need a what? Vector form and Cartesian form. So vector form equation is vector r equal to vector a plus lambda vector b. That means vector r equal to vector a is what? 0 vector. You should write that plus lambda into vector b is what? 5 I cap minus 2 j cap plus 3 k cap. Clear it is. This is the vector form equation. Now Cartesian form is x minus x1 by a, y minus y1 by b, z minus z1 by c. Okay. So vector a, x1, y1, z1, it is what? 0. Okay. So we have only a, b, c. So that is what? This is a and b and c. So that means the equation it will come x by 5 equal to y by minus 2, it is equal to z by 3. So this is the Cartesian form equation. Okay. These are the 2 marks problems. Okay. 2 marks problems. So my dear students, all of you should practice it properly. So from a 3D, they will give 2 marks, 2 problems they will give. So you can score it. Clear it is all of you. Thank you so much. And again, you should subscribe and share it to your friends also. Okay. Thank you so much.